We're going to look at the pattern of mountain ranges now. I can see that there are mountain ranges right along the top of this. That's North America, so that's going to be Alaska all the way up there. Right along like California, down into Mexico, right around South America, a little bit right at the top of Africa. So far, oh, this one goes right along the edge of our part of the world, Boston, all the way down to Florida. I'm noticing that a lot of these seem to be on the edge of continents again. This one, kind of on the edge of the continents also. This one's on the edge of this continent. This one's on the edge of Australia. This one's up, kind of not an edge of continent, but kind of close. This one's between the two continents. And this one is not on the edge of the continent, but I will give you a little hint that India used to be a separate continent. So you can consider these ones to be on the edge of a continent also. So one of the patterns about mountains is that they are all on the edge of continents. If you did not get that answer correct, you can go back and change your answer right now. Pause the video, go to the purple tab, and change your answer right now. Then I'm thinking, is there anything else? I'm noticing that this is like very similar to volcanoes. They were on the edge of the continents too. Let's see if any of them are in the same spots. I'm noticing right here that this is all along the side of North America, all the way along the side of South America, and that is exactly the same as up here. These ones are also all along this whole stretch. So, question is, could volcanoes actually cause mountains? Since they're in the same place, that makes me think one might cause the other. Could volcanoes create mountains? Say it out loud. If you said that volcanoes do create mountains because I did it with sand, making a sand castle yesterday for our last lesson, you are correct. The sand doesn't really make mountains, but the lava that sand was supposed to represent builds up over time after each eruption. A new layer of lava turns to stone, and the mountains get bigger and bigger. So these mountains are actually volcanoes. Cool. So when you get back to your tab, you're going to answer some questions about why volcanoes and mountains might happen at the same locations.